Hello, fellow mixers. Michael Oskam here from Pro Audio Lessons, coming to you today with some exciting news and an exciting opportunity for all of you musicians and producers out there. Today begins the Mixes by Michael Summer Drawing Contest. Now, what is that, you ask? Well, it's an exciting chance for 3 of you lucky winners out there to have a mix done, your song mixed by me for free. That's right. I'm going to be mixing 3 lucky winner songs completely for free. All you have to do is follow some simple instructions to be entered to win. And here is how you enter. Let me make sure I get this right here. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you aren't already. Throw this video a like and drop a comment below with the hashtag you're seeing on your screen right now, which should show you Mixes by Michael. Real quick, for those of you who don't know, I regularly offer my services through MixesByMichael.com, which you can check out if you are so inclined. But what's great about the service is that in addition to a fully polished mix, I also create and send you a video lesson showing you exactly how I transform the song into a radio-ready product, so to speak. That particular package's benefits are what is going to be on display during this contest. You can also enter to win on Instagram, and believe it or not, we are allowing you to enter on both platforms, literally doubling your chances of winning. To enter on Instagram, just make sure that you're following our Instagram. Find the post that looks like the one you're seeing on your screen right now, and be sure to like that post and drop a comment that says hashtag Mixes by Michael. That's literally all you have to do. Come back here on July 31st. I'm going to be picking 3 names out of all the entries across both platforms, and those 3 winners will win a free mixing session from me. And not only will you be getting a professional, polished mix like we discussed, but you will also garner much exposure through this YouTube channel and amongst the mixing community. I'll be featuring your song in lessons on this channel with your permission, of course. Because it's been my experience that most mix engineers from any level, they all sort of seem to struggle with the same thing. So I figure what better way to help you than by introducing you to some techniques in a session that maybe features a lot of the same complications or issues that your own recordings do. That's what this channel is about. That's what this channel has always been about. It's about making better mixers out of all of us. So if you want to enter, please either rewatch this video or you can find the details in the description below. But I strongly suggest entering on both platforms because, hey, double the chances. And then be sure to check back here July 31st to see if you're one of the winners. If your name is picked, I will reach out to you via the platform that you entered on. So I'll either DM you through Instagram or I'll get in touch with you through YouTube so we can discuss getting your multi-track session over to me and we can begin working on it. I want to thank you all for the support that you continue to give me through this channel. I want to thank you for all of your submissions in advance, and I look forward to hearing your mixes in the future. I'll see you guys on the other side. Keep mixing.